Ever wondered how to use the Morph animation in PowerPoint effectively? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to demystify this powerful tool, breaking it down in an uncomplicated, digestible manner. So, stay tuned to learn the ins and outs of Morph animation. First, it's crucial to understand what Morph animation is. Morph animation is a type of transition effect in PowerPoint that creates seamless, fluid movement from one slide to the next. It's like magic, making objects, words, even characters come alive, smoothly transitioning and transforming before your eyes. You can find this nifty tool under the Transitions tab in PowerPoint. It's perfect for adding that extra spark to your presentations, making them more engaging and dynamic. Now that you know what Morph animation is, let's move on to how to use it. It's time for the main event, learning how to apply Morph animation. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Firstly, you'll want to select the slides you wish to animate. Remember, Morph animation shines best when you're transitioning between two similar slides. Next, head on over to the Transitions tab in your PowerPoint toolbar. There, you'll find the Morph transition. Go ahead and click on it. The magic is about to happen. Once you've applied the Morph transition, your chosen slides will start to animate. But don't stop there. The real beauty of Morph animation lies in your ability to customize it. You can adjust the duration of the transition, decide whether you want it to start automatically or on mouse click, and even fine-tune the animation effects. Don't be afraid to experiment. After all, the best presentations are those that are uniquely you. And there you have it. You've successfully applied Morph animation to your PowerPoint presentation. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Morph animation is a powerful PowerPoint tool, transforming static slides into dynamic visuals. We walked through its application, from selecting the Morph transition to fine-tuning the effect. With this knowledge, you can now effectively use Morph animation in your PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching.